So you might be wondering, what exactly is this Online Millionaire Summit? Well, it's an online event that's all about teaching you how to start making money online and how to start your profitable, successful online business. We started this event because we realized people are so passionate about starting an online business, but they have no clue where to start. It's so confusing, right? We looked at all the YouTube video comments, we looked at the post in different digital marketing groups, and personally I get so many emails where people ask me what is the best way to get started with an online business. And so the idea of this event was born, where we thought, let's clear all the confusion once and for all. Let's educate people, let's actually increase awareness about what are the different options available for making money online. There is drop shipping, there is affiliate marketing, there's print on demand, there's YouTube, there's online courses. So which option is right for you? And hence the idea of this event was born. So we brought together more than 25 top experts and speakers from across India who are actually doing a successful online business, who are actually making amazing money online. And it's not just theory. These are the people who are actually doing this every single day in their business, and these are the people who are actually teaching other people how to do it, and they are changing lives. So through this event we have covered almost all aspects of making money online. We have covered blogging, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, print on demand, YouTube, online courses, influencer marketing, running a digital marketing agency, and many more. We have speakers who have been featured in different magazines, newspapers, media outlets. They have spoken on TEDx. These are the people who have built $1 million businesses, and all these amazing people very generously have agreed to come onto this platform, participate in the event, and share amazing wisdom with you all. Now, I don't know if you have ever been to a conference or seminar or an event like this. I know I have personally, and I have spent thousands of rupees in the ticket price. And plus you have to book the ticket, you have to book the flight, you have to book the hotel, accommodation, plus you have to leave your family behind, you have to leave your job for a couple of days, and you have to travel and attend this event. But for this event, the great news is it's completely online. I know it's a completely new concept, and I'm very proud to execute on this because it's an online event where you don't have to travel anywhere. All the presentations, all the interviews, all the amazing knowledge, you can watch all the videos from the comfort of your home. You can watch it on your laptop, your mobile, your iPad. How convenient is that? Plus you can rewatch it again and again because you get lifetime access to all those videos. So here's how the entire event is structured. So every day we are going to cover one topic. Let's say on day one we cover dropshipping. So initially we'll start with what exactly is dropshipping, how this business works, and who is this business right for. What is the investment or budget needed to get started with this business? What are the skills needed to get started with this business? And once the introduction is over, we go over the interviews. We look at the speakers who have done successful dropshipping business in last couple of years and who are doing successful dropshipping business right now. We will be learning about their journey, their experiences, and we'll learn different tips and tricks from them. Apart from interviews, there will also be presentations and tutorials taught by experts themselves. Plus, you will also get a lot of bonuses like ebooks, mini courses, some video tutorial which the speakers have very generously agreed to share with us. So the amount of value you get each day is amazing. Similarly, on day 2 we might cover blogging, on day 3 we'll cover print on demand, day 4 we'll cover online courses, day 5 we'll cover YouTube. Like that for next 6 to 7 days during the event, you will learn every single method there is to make money online. Now there is no excuse, there's no excuse for you to not execute any of the method. The whole idea about introducing all these methods is because every person is different, everyone has different personality, different attitude. So you can choose the method which is right for you by looking at all this information, and you will get practical steps on how to exactly get started. So if you have ever thought about making money online, if you have ever thought about building your own online business from the comfort of your home using just internet and laptop, then this event is right for you. If you're in a job and you're not happy with your job, you want to start something of your own, then this event is right for you. If you are a student and you don't know where to start with digital marketing, you don't know how to make an extra income for yourself, then this event is right for you. If you are into digital marketing and you want to expand your knowledge, then this event is right for you. So all you need to do is click the button and purchase the ticket, which is very low price. The amount of effort we have put in organizing this event has been crazy. So we actually took our camera, went out, and we traveled to different cities in India. We traveled to Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad. Each city we traveled with our camera, and we personally met these amazing speakers. We interviewed them. We organized all the content so that we can give you the best knowledge that is available. Our whole mission with this event is very simple: to increase awareness and to educate people in India about what are the different methods there are to make money online, and help people actually get started, not just theory, actually get started, actually take practical steps and build a successful online business in coming months. So that's why we have priced these tickets very low. You are getting so much knowledge, so much wisdom, less than the cost of a pizza, less than the cost of a coffee, less than cost of going to a movie. So it's a no-brainer. So as soon as you purchase the ticket, you'll receive an email from us explaining all the details about the event and where the event will be hosted. You'll get all your credentials, plus you'll be added to a members only private Facebook group. And our aim with that group is to build a huge community of people who are interested in this thing. And there will also be a lot of Q&A sessions organized in that Facebook group. So there's a private Facebook group. So if you join, as soon as you join, you will be added to that Facebook group. I am so excited for this event, and I hope you are too. This is one of a kind event happening very first time in India, and I really hope to see you inside the interviews of Online Millionaire Summit.